Welcome. So in the previous lectures, we have focused on some of the important case studies for answer writing for your UPSC mains upcoming examination. In this section, we would specifically target on some of the expected questions for your geography optional UPSC. Now, covering the various aspects. For example, in the physical geography section, the recent the earthquake tremors across the various parts in India and Pakistan have become really important. Then the ecosystem restoration effects, also the Anthropocene data has become very important, focusing on deep sea mining, biodiversity conservation, heat dome, marine heat waves, Mediterranean heat waves, accelerated climate change are some of the important topics from physical geography. Most of them we have discussed are pertaining to environment in one way or the other. The next is under human geography, geopolitics, extremely important for this year. Geopolitics of resources, geopolitics of rare earth minerals. Then talking about the global cities, the rise of global cities, the Malthus theory with food security, global food security, again a very big issue, so becomes very important. Digital divide and the implications of digital divide. Then with the climate comes the refugee migration. So migration of refugee population, forced migration in the war-prone areas, and then climate-induced migration. Both of them are really important. Coming on to the second paper, which is the geography of India, some of the important topics pertain to interlinking of the river in light of the recent flash floods during the monsoon seasons, which every time off and on becomes a very important topic. Monsoon patterns, the impact of La Nina, El Nino. Also talking about the coastal erosion, seaweed farming as some of the major ways, saline farming to conserve the land, the degraded areas, land use patterns in India, the Himalayan extension, the vulnerabilities of Himalayan extensions, the environmental impact assessment not done in many of the hilly states and the mountainous terrains. Also focusing on the geostrategy of the border areas in India as well as the island territories. So again, these topics become important. Then critical minerals of India, the resources are under the UAEL, and then how government is planning to extend the critical resources and develop or process those resources within the country. So rare earth minerals, again a very important topic, where they are found, how they can be extracted and how they can be processed and brought to an end use. The next is the section under human geography, economic geography for geography of India, digital infrastructure in the rural areas, the regional disparities, bringing in mitigations for those regional disparities, specifically in the sectors of education and healthcare, agricultural reforms, the impact of food security and livelihood opportunities and employment generation in rural area, and then talking about the climate migration based on the internal dynamics of the population. So those are some of the really important topics that you must cover. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect me personally on the number below. Thank you.